If you love fish, then you absolutely have to try this recipe. Today we are making rainbow fish served with potato and kachumbari. The spices I'm using is lemon and herbs, seasoning salt, paprika, garlic powder, olive oil, and Maggi sauce. You can use any spice of your choice. We need to give it a good mixture and set it apart when finished. These are the fish I'm going to use, and I just have to give it a pat dry. I used a paper towel, but you can use anything like kitchen cloth. That is also good as well. I'm doing the lines on this fish because when I'm putting the spices, so it can go inside, and while you are eating you can feel the saltiness and the spicy from inside. Now when finish putting lines on the fish, it's time to put the spices on the fish. I'm using brush because I feel like this works more better, and also you can use your hands, that it works also as well. I like adding lemon on top of the fish because lemon gives really bright and zesty flavor on the fish. I'm going to transfer it to a baking tray, and the oven has been preheated to 220 degrees Celsius. We cook for 20 minutes. While it's baking, I will get started with the side, which is potatoes. The potatoes are peeled, and I'm going to cut it into small circle pieces. When you finish cutting potatoes, I will add boiled water and some salt, and then I will leave it for 5 minutes. After that, I will drain it. Washing potatoes with boiled water, I feel like this wash the potato very good, and you put some salt, that works better. But also you can wash with cold water, that also works as well. Now I'm going to add some spices, which is I put some oil, this is olive oil, some salt, and some lemon and herbs, and black pepper. Give it a mix, and it's ready to start frying. When you finish adding spices, have your pan ready, heated, and add some butter, and it's time for you to start frying your potatoes. Cook potatoes on medium heat, and cover it for fast cooking. This helps potato to get ready, and this has been cooked for 5 minutes. So each side you take 2.5 minutes, and it will be ready in 5 minutes. Which is homemade sauce, and the kachumbari, which is tomato, onion, and salt. If you love to try this, feel free to leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.